In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Replit, a versatile online platform that allows you to code, compile, and run programs directly from your browser. Whether you're a beginner just diving into the world of coding or a seasoned developer, Replit offers a user-friendly interface that makes managing your projects a breeze. Let's begin by navigating to the Replit homepage. If you haven't already signed up or logged in, make sure to do so to access your projects. The homepage is where you'll find a list of your most recent projects and other features that Replit offers. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, look for the Apps button on the left-hand menu. This is your gateway to all of the applications and projects you have been working on or experimenting with. After you've clicked on Apps, you'll see a list of all your existing projects displayed on the screen. Typically, projects are organized based on the most recent activity, making it easy to pick up where you left off. If you only have one project, as in our example, simply click on it to open it in the main editor. If you have multiple projects, use the search bar to swiftly locate the one you'd like to modify. Once you're inside the project, you might be greeted by a wide range of files and folders, each representing different parts of your project's codebase. Here's where you can either search or click directly from the list of files to find the specific code you're interested in editing. In our example, let's say the file is named tsconfig.json. Simply click on the file name to open it. Clicking on the file opens up the code editor, where you'll see the current contents of your file. The editor itself provides a clear, focused view, allowing you to make any necessary changes. You might want to adjust configurations, correct errors, or update settings within the file, depending on your project needs. The layout is designed for simplicity, with various features like syntax highlighting and autocomplete to aid your coding process. Once you've made your changes, it's crucial to review your edits to ensure everything is correct and functioning as expected. Replit offers a built-in console where you can test run your code immediately after making changes. This immediate feedback loop helps in quickly diagnosing and correcting any potential issues. And there you have it, a straightforward process to edit code in Replit. It's always good practice to save your work regularly and back up your project as you make changes. With its combination of flexibility and ease of use, Replit caters to developers and programmers of all levels, allowing for efficient and effective project management. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy coding!